Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 345 or Civil Liability of Persons Guilty of Crimes Against Chastity. Article 345 enumerates the additional penalty na matatanggap ng offender sa mga crimes against chastity. This is aside from imprisonment and fine. Article 345 states that person guilty of rape, seduction, or abduction shall also be sentenced to indemnify the offended woman. Example nito yung mga damages na ina-award ng court, like moral damages. Usually, nasa 50,000 to 100,000 ito. Depende po sa crime na nakumit. To acknowledge the offspring, unless the law should prevent him from so doing. Pag nabuntis ang victim, obligado si offender na i-acknowledge yung bata. In every case, to support the offspring. Aside sa i-acknowledge ni offender yung bata, magbibigay din siya ng support. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.